Whose street?
Thank you.
Mine.
Well, everybody has come home. Reagan, who are you holding?
Campbell.
Campbell?
Yes.
Is she at home now?
Now we have 6 people in our house.
We have 6 people.
Family.
6 in our family.
1, 2,
Well,
10 today, ain't it?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Count me.
Yeah.
Mama.
9.
And 10. Exactly right, Anderson.
Wow. He's a good.
Yeah, she made 10.
Yeah.
Didn't
He's a good counter.
she? Yes.
yeah. You see all the stockings, buddy?
You see the stockings?
We got a new stocking.
Here.
Reagan, I see Campbell's stockings by yours. 2 girls right there side by side.
Like you jumping you.
I said, well, go out.
Where you going?
Daddy.
Grandpa Look at that.
Hey, what about Buddy?
Get up here. She looks like
I'm done holding her, Granny.
You're done?
I'm done holding her, Daddy.
Okay.
My turn.
Your turn.
Your turn.
Why don't you get up there where she's sitting?
baby's first Christmas. Well, sweet.
Who is that?
Today.
See her? I bet you. See me?
Oh,
The baby.
You want to see the baby?
what's she doing? Is she smiling at you?
No, see mine right now.
You're all
You're all done? Okay, just a sec. Mama had get her.
Oops, and she's coming unwrapped.
Thank you for telling us and not just giving up.
Why don't you, babies make noises. She's been making a lot of
Graham wants to hold.
You want to hold her, Graham?
Well, it's one of those bird clocks. Is she afraid of it?
You're not a thing.
Campbell's.
They're not a thing.
No, that's not the
They're a
same.
little different. Campbell has brown hair. The little girl has brown hair. And Reagan's has blonde hair. Did you see Campbell's
See?
right beside yours?
What's in the front yard?
He's looking at that, isn't he?
Hers is a boy.
You see the bird? You see the stork?
I didn't know we had a goose in the yard.
Then she said, well, I remembered it.
Remembered from Anderson and